Quick update, roof line up there. There we go. Alright guys, quick update. We got framed up, felt on one, and block on another one. I was actually out here this weekend and we found a pretty good mistake. It's good to catch it on the front end. So you read blueprints left to right, right? But we printed them and the printer flipped them. So the block work is right actually, but this side of the house is wrong on the one that's being framed. We're not going inside because the music's loud, the plumbers are in there working, don't want to interrupt them. But we put the back in the front and the front in the back. So I'll actually walk around and show you guys. But my contractor missed it, my project manager missed it, my interior designer missed it, my block mason missed it, I missed it. So just one of those things that you gotta laugh about. Construction, we're already over on my tree budget, but just gotta get in and deal with it and do it. Pretty surprised at how recoverable this mistake has been. So you can see, hopefully in the blueprints, hopefully you've got those, but you can see right there. So that's what the front of the house, that roof line right there. So that's the front.